$100 daily with shortcuts? Hey there, moneymakers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting for you, the ultimate guide on how to make $100 every day. If you're ready to boost your income, stick around because we've got some killer tips and tricks coming your way. Today's video is all about breaking the mold and discovering unique ways to make $100 every day. If you're all about saving time while maximizing your earnings, you're in for a treat. Let's jump right into these shortcuts. Micro freelance gigs. Start small, earn big. Look for micro freelance gigs on platforms like TaskRabbit or Gigwalk. These quick tasks, from running errands to small digital jobs, can add up fast. It's a shortcut to cash without the long-term commitment. To cashback and rewards apps. Turn your spending into earning. Explore cashback and rewards apps like Rakuten or Honey. Shop as you normally would and watch the cashback accumulate. It's an effortless way to make money while doing your usual online shopping. Stock photography contributions. Got a camera or even a smartphone? Capitalize on your photography skills. Upload your photos to stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Every download puts money in your pocket, a shortcut for photographers looking to monetize their passion. Automated dropshipping. Automate your way to profits. Dive into the world of dropshipping using platforms like Shopify. Partner with suppliers, set up your store, and let automation handle the rest. It's a hands-off approach to running a business, making $100 a day more achievable than ever. Express online courses. Share your expertise lightning fast. Create bite-sized online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. People love quick, actionable content. This shortcut not only helps others but also puts money in your pocket with each course enrollment. Virtual assistants with a twist. Let's kick things off with a modern twist on virtual assistants. Offer specialized services like podcast editing, social media content creation, or even virtual event planning. Find your niche and turn your skills into a profitable business. It's not just assistance, it's a bespoke service. See subscription boxes. Here's a fun one. Dive into the world of niche subscription boxes. Identify a unique theme or hobby, curate exciting products, and offer a subscription service. From quirky snacks to handmade crafts, people love the surprise element. Create a buzz, and you'll find subscribers flocking in. Promote language tutoring. Parlais your money. If you're fluent in a second language, offer remote language tutoring. Platforms like Italki and Verbling connect language enthusiasts with tutors. It's a fantastic way to share your knowledge, cultural insights, and earn some extra cash while doing it. Next, personalized digital products. Get your creative juices flowing. Design and sell personalized digital products. Think custom-made printables, unique fonts, or even digital planners. Sites like Etsy and Gumroad make it easy to showcase and sell your creations. Your imagination is the limit. Localized online events. Bring people together virtually. Organize localized online events tailored to specific communities or interests. Whether it's a virtual trivia night for your neighborhood or a digital art showcase for local talents, monetize through ticket sales or sponsorships. It's community building with a financial twist. There you have it, folks. A handful of fresh, innovative ideas to make that $100 daily goal more exciting. Embrace your uniqueness, leverage your skills, and turn your passions into profits. The financial world is evolving, and so should our strategies. If you found these ideas intriguing, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more unconventional money-making tips. Share your thoughts and let us know if you've tried any of these ideas. Until next time, keep exploring new horizons and making that money.